Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a pretty good question. Once you understand some things, you'll understand this better. They've taken a rectangle and made it a 1/2 inch point of a line. When they go to the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, it covers up some of the line. Well, why is that? Well, this is a line. And if we go to view and wireframe, it is a hairline. So the Smart Fill tool is just filling up the hairline up to the hairline, and then you're making it stand out. So there's two ways you could eliminate that problem. You could have the line selected, hit F12 in your keyboard, and go right here to position and put the line to the outside of the object and press OK. Now, the other way you can do that is draw a rectangle, make it yellow, and then make your outline whatever you want it to be. Because now you've completely changed your outline. You did not fill the box is still there, but it's underneath that box. I was trying to think there was really one more way. Let's do it one more try and see what happens, what you could do. We're going to make this a 1/2 point. But then if you go up to object and convert it to an object, and then you take and see now if we go to wireframe, it's an object. It's got 2 lines. So that's going to stop the Smart Fill tool from leaking into that line, or makes it look like it leaks into that line. I really like taking a shape and making it whatever size. Let's make it 1 inch. And if there's never a number there, you can always type in a number. I like making the object, turn it into an outline, because then you can always left click, right click. And then if you wanted to do something with it, like make a duplicate of it and move it over here. And this is how you manipulate and take your virtual segment delete key and cut that away. And then on this one, cut this away. And you'd have 2 different colors interlocked or intermingled with one another. Then you go up here and take right click on no outline, and you have what appears to be 2 objects. Let's make it black so it shows up a little bit more. Object order backup page. And it makes it look like that. So that's not the question. The question was, why does the Smart Fill tool kind of hide half of the line? I hope that answers this question, and thank you for watching.